Hi everyone, today we're going to fix the Samsung Galaxy S10E screen. As you see right here, Galaxy S10E. As I flick this up right here, as you can see, the display is damaged right there. You can see a black spot right underneath the crack right there, but after the repair, that'll be all gone and the phone will be just as good as new. So before I begin, this screen right here costs $83. The job that I'm charging for this is $175. So let's do the math. So that's $175 minus $83 for the cost of the part. It's gonna give me $92 in profit. This repair should take no more than an hour. It actually takes me like 45 minutes. All right, let's begin. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna want to take off the back cover. And the way that we do that is by using a heat gun. The back cover is glued on, so we're gonna heat the back off. And we're also gonna use this little flimsy tool right here to get in between the back and the frame. All right, so here's the tool. We're gonna get right in there, just like that. There's our entry point, and that's all we need. So the next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab poker playing cards. That way I don't scratch up the guy's back of his back glass, right? Because it's not all about just repairing the phone. You wanna do a good job, right? So what I do is get this, and I use the entry point from that thing, and then I just get this and I just slide. So now here it gets harder and it's tougher. That means I need to put heat. So you just do that all the way around. And there we go. This thing comes off. It's hot. And there we go. You see? The guy's back glass is not scratched up or anything like that. It's all about the actual, you have to do a good job too. All right. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take out all these screws that you see. They should be all the same size. Let's do it. All right, so what we have here, this is the back piece. This looks like it's the loudspeaker right here, and wireless charging flex. All right, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna unplug the battery. I could not unplug the battery here because when someone has a passcode on there, it won't allow you to turn the phone off unless you put your code. I don't know the guy's code, I don't ever ask anybody for their code. So you don't need it, right? So what I'm gonna do is, I need a little tool, hold on. I need this thing because I need to unplug the battery. So what I'm gonna do now is just test the new screen out. So I'm just gonna take this and then plug it in and see how it works. There we go. Samsung Galaxy S10E. Let's wait till it boots up real quick. You see the black spot that I had on the other guy's screen on this side? It had a black spot right here, right in the middle. See right here? It's not there anymore. So I'm just gonna try this out real quick. Everything looks good right there, blam, blam, blam. All right, let's unplug the battery, unplug the screen. Now what we're gonna do next is take out this motherboard right here, and why don't I unplug the SIM tray? All right, so I have my little SIM ejector tool right here, and we're gonna pop this out like that. And just gonna lay that to the side, right? Then what we're gonna wanna do is take out this screw right here, and these two screws down here. How about let's just unplug the camera first, the front selfie camera, and then just unplug, this looks like it's the power button right here. And then screen is unplugged, the headphone jack. Now let's take out the screws. Right here, put that one up here. As you see, this one, don't get it mixed up with this one because this one looks like it's smaller than all these ones in the dish. So we're gonna leave this up here and do the two at the bottom. And then what I'm gonna do is put these underneath this top screw. All right, so now we're going to lift the motherboard out of the frame like this. Take this around, jiggle this thing back and forth. There you go. This thing is out. This is the motherboard. This is the actual phone. Everything else is plugged into this. The screen, cameras, everything is plugged into this. So let's just set this thing aside right here. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way. All right, so here we have our phone. You can leave all the rest of the stuff in here. Just leave it in there, including the battery. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna heat up the front side, and then we're basically gonna rip the screen out. All right, so I usually just start right here in the corner. I'll get my flimsy flexible tool that I always use, which is this right here. I'll just kind of get in there like this. I'll kind of slice. Do you see that? You see how it separates right here? Here, I'll just show you. What I do is I get between the glass and the LED, the OLED screen. So it's just like this, look. See? And it comes out easy like this. Just kind of rip this out. Just toss this away. Now I'm gonna grab this and just kind of go in the corner somewhere so you can grab some of this right here. And then now you just rip this rest of it out right here, look. Just like this. The whole screen is already out now. So what we're gonna have left is some adhesive right here. So we need to clean out all this adhesive, and what I'm gonna do to take that out is just use more heat. So I'm just basically gonna take my finger, maybe use my nail a little bit, and then clean all this old adhesive out. We're gonna use new adhesive, and I'm gonna show you real quick. All right, there's that. Get the big chunks out. See, this stuff just rolls out like that. See, there's even more, some more up there. All right, so all the big clumpy stuff is out now. So what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, there's still kind of like dirt, as you can see right here. You see this kind of stuff? So I'm gonna get some alcohol, and I'm gonna clean out the kind of like the dirt that's in between, you know, like the inside of the frame. Here we have some alcohol. I get this from CVS, 91%. It's safe to use with cell phones. So I'm just gonna get this, squirt some on the rag, and then just use my finger, kind of use my nail a little bit to get into the small spaces, the little cracky, the creases or whatever. We're just gonna clean up all the dirt. Now you want everything, you want the screen to fit flush in here, and that's the reason why I do this. Like I said, remember, you guys wanna do a good job. Grab my flathead screwdriver and just kind of dig some of it out a little bit. There it is. I couldn't get this area with the rag, probably because it's clumped up in there. So you also don't want little bits of like adhesive in there. Make sure it's all off. The reason why is if you get some adhesive that you missed and then you go to stick this screen on, you're gonna see a little bump in your screen, and it's because there's adhesive that's still stuck in there, right? So if you go like this, you'll try to see something kind of start poking into the screen. So that's why, another reason why you wanna make sure all the old adhesive is all out. So what we're gonna do next is apply new adhesive that goes in there. And as you see, here's some new adhesive, and it's specifically made for the S10E. As you can see, S10E right here. So grab one of these, and you see how it's made like this? Look how this is. The front selfie camera, see how this is gonna fit? Just like this. Just like that. It's gonna fit right in there. It has the little cutouts already. It's pre-made, pre-cut adhesive already made for this exact phone. So how we're gonna apply this is you just go like this, And I always start from the top. I align the front selfie camera holes first. Go right here. Go like this. This other one's gonna kind of pop in there. And then this thing is just gonna lay inside just like this. This one's gonna go right in there, look. All right, so now we're gonna want to press all this adhesive down so you know it'll stick. There we go. There we go. There's the adhesive already there. So get this right here. This part right here is not sticky enough. And see how there's no adhesive all in this area? So I'm gonna add my own adhesive right here. All right, so as you see, I added extra adhesive right here. This red adhesive I bought off of eBay. It's pretty freaking strong, I'm telling you. All right, so now what we're gonna wanna do is just, all right, so now this whole thing is covered with adhesive. Now all we're gonna wanna do is just stick this screen in here. You see this cable right here? We're gonna feed it through the hole right there. Just align this up here. Just align it first up here. Kind of use your finger to hold it in place. And then we'll feed this through the hole right there. So now what I'm gonna do is, since I'm gonna put all this stuff back in, but I don't wanna scratch the screen. There's probably like broken glass or something that can scratch the screen. So what I'm gonna do is take the original wrapper that the screen came with, and I'm gonna put it right back onto the front of the screen. Then I won't have any worry. Let me clean this up real quick. So what we're gonna do next is just go in reverse. We're gonna start first by putting the motherboard back in. So we're gonna start off with the bottom. Let's take this out. It's easier to, let's just temporarily take this headphone jack out, pop it out, and then pop the motherboard back in. I do that with the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus as well. It's way easier when you take this out temporarily and then you just place it back in. All right, here's one thing that do this on all Samsung phones. You see the this little thing right here? And I'll tell you a reason why. This little thing right here, push it back up. Now the reason why you want to do that, see now it's out of the way. That's where the SIM card slot goes. The reason why you're going to want to do this is because when you put the motherboard back in, if you don't push that thing back up, the motherboard is going to be laying right on top. Get these cables out of the way. The motherboard is going to be laying right on the top of that thing, and you won't be able to stick the SIM tray in when the phone's all done. And then you'll get pissed off and you'll be like, you won't know what's the matter. And then you're gonna have to take the phone back apart and you're just gonna be wasting a whole bunch of time. There you go. Now it fits in good, right? So let's put these screws back in. We'll start off with the top one. Plug in the screen, plug in the headphone jack, screw in the two bottom screws right here. All right, now plug in the front selfie camera right here. Plug in the power button cable right there. Now you can plug in the battery. Let me turn it on, make sure it works really quick. I just want to see it power on, which it powers on, right? Okay, so let's do this real quick. Make sure everything is plugged in. I do this because I don't want comebacks, right? Customer comes home, it inconveniences the customer, and it also inconveniences you by you going too quick and making sure, you gotta make sure everything is properly plugged in, okay? There, I went over everything. This is all old adhesive. Now let's start down here and put this plastic piece back in. Now we're gonna put our screws all back in. Goes all the way in like this. Remember that part where I told you guys to push up the little SIM pin thing right here? If you didn't, this thing wouldn't fit all the way in. It would get stuck right almost before it closes, and it probably won't read the reception probably wouldn't go on because you can't fit the SIM tray all the way in. All right, so everything's, all the screws are in. I'm gonna remove the adhesive that you see here. The reason why I'm gonna remove this adhesive right here is because when you go put this back cover on and you have old adhesive sitting here, the back cover is not gonna fit flush like that. You're gonna see all these bumpy areas and there's gonna look like there's gonna be gaps. And like I said before, you wanna do a good job. You not only wanna repair the phone, you wanna do a good job doing it. All right, so that's all nice and cleaned up right here. So now we're gonna take the adhesive off of here. And most of the times when you guys do this, a lot of the times there is not even adhesive on here. So a lot of the times you won't have to clean up this area. Most of the time the adhesive remains on this back piece. Okay, so the way that I'm gonna take this adhesive off is, once again, I'm gonna use heat. All right, so now we have our S10E back adhesive. Here we go. Just like that, and then peel this off, and then peel this one off, and there goes your brand new adhesive. Now all we have to do is just align it up at the top like this, run your fingers down like this. Boom, turn on the phone. There we go. And that, everybody, is the Samsung Galaxy S10E screen replacement. So far, according to this camera, I've had this camera running for 40 minutes and 20 seconds. So as you guys see, 40-minute repair. I can probably do this faster if I wasn't recording this video. All right, everyone, for those of you guys that are interested in making money, learning how to repair cell phones, I do have a cell phone repair course. Look in the link of the description below this video. I talk about the marketing. Half of this business is all about marketing. It's not just learning how to repair phones. You have to get customers to walk into your door or call your cell phone. You have to convince people that don't even know anything about you to use you for your service. And that's how a cell phone repair course like mine can help you with building your business. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.